Are you new to exploring the great outdoors and not quite sure what gear you need? Well, today we're at Roads, Rivers, and Trails, a backpacking shop in Milford, Ohio, and owner Bryan Wolf is going to teach us the essentials for what you need to go for a hike. Hey Bryan, thanks for inviting me down to the shop.
Absolutely, thanks for coming down.
So, what do I need to get started to go on a hike? What are the essentials?
Let's get people out and about. First, we just need a day pack, so something to carry all the other essentials in. And this could be simple. This might be something you already own, like a shoestring bag from a concert or a school bag, and so just about collecting all your other things with you.
So I don't need any like special bag. I can just use like a book bag that's already at my house.
Absolutely. I'd say let's keep it simple, and as you get into hiking, you could progress into something else.
So what do I need to put in my bag when I go for a hike?
Yeah, so one of the first things we want to make sure that we have is enough water. So if everyone could carry a liter or two of water, make sure you're carrying for the people that can, or if you have any canine pets.
Is there a rule about how much water I should bring with me when I go on a hike?
Yeah, I mean, definitely look at the forecast. It depends on how much exertion you're going to be having and how warm it is, but it's safe bet to have a liter or 2 liters of water per person.
Okay. Well, if I'm bringing water, I should probably maybe bring some snacks too.
Absolutely, yeah. It's something just to keep everyone in a good mood, right? And everyone's energy high. So that could be just like some trail mix or a granola bar.
Do you have a favorite snack that you like to bring?
Yeah, I'll bring a Snickers bar a lot, could pep me up a little bit.
Yeah.
Full of trail mix, something simple.
There you go. Okay, so I've got my water, I got my snacks. What else should I put in my bag?
Yeah, so the next thing we're concentrating on is sun protection. So this might be a full brim hat or a buff to keep the sun off your neck, definitely some sunscreen. And they even make some lightweight hoodies with some built-in UPF protection, just so that you can have some more full body protection.
And I know I'll probably throw in some chapstick just because I hate when my lips get chapped.
Yes, that's a very good idea.
Okay,
Absolutely.
So we've got water, food, sun protection. Anything else I should throw in there?
Absolutely. We're going to make sure that we have a first aid kit. And this is going to be something simple. If you go through a store-bought one or if you build your own, either way, but make sure you have some of the simple things: Band-Aids, blister protection, maybe some Benadryl if you have some allergies.
Okay, so first aid kit. Anything else?
Don't forget your trail map. You have to know where you're going. A lot of the time you might just be able to take a picture of a trail map at the kiosk before you enter the trail.
Oh, that's a good idea.
They might have some printout ones or a downloadable map to your phone.
Well, I think I got a pretty good idea of what I need to bring for a hike. Let's see: water, food, sun protection, map, first aid kit. I think that's pretty good.
We're ready to go.
All right, man, let's do it.
All right.
The other thing I like to bring with me when I'm on a hike is my phone. I can take pictures, identify plant and wildlife. Heck, I can even have a downloaded copy of my map here. You can also use your phone to call for help in case of an emergency, but depending on where you're at, you might not have a signal, so be prepared. Remember, enjoying the outdoors responsibly is all about making sure it's in a state so others can enjoy it as well. Don't pick flowers or take rocks, and certainly don't leave your trash. No one wants to see your granola wrapper while they're on the trail. Now, get out there and explore some trails near you. Want to learn more about our national parks? Then hit that subscribe button, friend. Stay up to date and catch bonus features by following us on Instagram @OutSCIder.